I need these boards to have identical 77-degree cuts as shown with the pencil line. The problem is, even though my saw goes to 60 degrees, that's still short. Here's a jig I built as a workaround. The base is a 1x6 about 16 inches long with a 45-degree angle cut on one end. There's a 2x6 with the same 45-degree angle cut, inset about 1.5 inches in and screwed to the bottom board. I put these toggle clamps near the edge of the 2x6. I can now place my two boards on the jig and securely clamp them down. Now I move my saw blade to 32 degrees. Since the jig has a 45-degree angle already, you just add whatever additional degrees you need, in my case 32. I line up the saw blade, clamp the jig down to the saw, and now I have a safe and secure way to make that high angle cut. My hands are nowhere near the blade, and the boards end up with identical cuts, as you can see.